If you've been wondering how to find your Mailchimp API key, you're in the right place. In this quick step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Mailchimp, how to check for an existing API key, and how to create a new one if you need it. This is super useful if you're connecting Mailchimp to another app, setting up an automation, or giving a developer access to your account. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Then sign in with your email address and password. Once you're inside your account, take a look at the top right corner of the dashboard. You should see your profile icon there. Click that icon to open the menu, and from the drop-down, choose Account and Billing. This is where Mailchimp keeps important account settings, including your API tools. Now that you're on the Account and Billing page, look for the Extras tab. Click on Extras and then select API keys from the menu. This will take you to the page where all of your current Mailchimp API keys are listed. If you've already created a key before, you'll see it here. Take a moment to review the list and check whether there's already a key you can use for the integration you're setting up. If you already have an API key that works for your current project, you can simply copy it and use it right away. But if you don't see one, or if you need a separate key for a different app or service, you'll want to create a new one. To do that, click the Create a Key button. Mailchimp will ask you to give the key a name, so choose something descriptive and easy to remember, like the name of the app, plugin, or integration that will be using it. This helps you stay organized later, especially if you manage multiple keys. After naming the key, click Generate Key. Mailchimp will create the API key for you, and this is the important part. Copy it immediately. API keys are sensitive, so you should store it in a secure place right away. You may need it when connecting Mailchimp to your website, email automation platform, CRM, or any other third-party tool. Once you've copied and safely saved the key, click Done to finish the process. And that's it. You've successfully found your Mailchimp API key and created a new one if needed. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.